For up to 90 days, the included self-emptying base with its 3-liter dust bag completely automates the cleaning process, requiring minimal intervention from you. Its powerful suction, reaching up to 6,000 pascals, automatically intensifies on carpets to pull out deeply embedded dirt and pet hair with ease. Advanced LiDAR navigation meticulously scans your home to create precise maps, allowing it to clean efficiently and even store layouts for up to 5 different floors. This versatile device combines vacuuming and mopping into one seamless operation, offering 3 distinct suction levels and 3 water flow settings to perfectly match any floor type. Through a user-friendly app or voice commands, you can effortlessly schedule cleanings, define no-go zones, and customize cleaning routines for a truly smart home experience. With an impressive runtime of up to 150 minutes, the vacuum intelligently returns to its base to recharge when needed and then resumes cleaning exactly where it stopped.